Hey guys, Sifat here. Welcome to my iMail Review 2025. If you are an affiliate marketer, a list builder, or just a small business owner looking to maximize your email profits without needing to pay expensive monthly fees or worry about getting your account banned, this product is designed specifically for you. iMail is an all-in-one platform that handles both the email writing and the sending infrastructure from a single cloud dashboard. It not only replaces your traditional autoresponder, but actually automates the content creation for you. What stood out to me first was the Write with AI feature. You simply feed it a sales page URL, and the AI instantly scans the content to create a high-converting promotional email designed to turn subscribers into buyers. But an autoresponder needs to actually deliver the emails, right? That's where this tool really shines. It features unlimited sending to unlimited subscribers with zero monthly costs. You can stick to the built-in system or get advanced by connecting Amazon SES, SendGrid, Gmail, or any other SMTP to control your own reputation. If you need to grow your list or automate sales, it has a GDPR-ready form builder and unlimited automation sequences. For better open rates, it even includes exclude list technology to stop you from annoying people who already bought. It handles everything: the copy, the delivery, the hosting, and the list management. If at any point during this review you want to check out iMail, click the link in the description below. Please like this video, it really helps out my YouTube channel, and I'd really appreciate it. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Alright, let's not wait any longer. Let's see how iMail works in action.
All right. So this is iMail. Now this is the one that runs on my server. Now I want to be clear. This is what I originally started with, and then I made it a cloud-based system. So even though this is the self-hosted version that I use, it is the same code. I just had to change it to work on the cloud. I want to be clear about that. So you can see this is my system. I've personally sent 530,000 emails. I started developing this in the beginning of 2025. So I've sent 530,000 emails this year. I get a 75% open rate. Mike, not picking on you, but when was the last time you got a 75% open rate?
Never gotten a 75% open rate. Like,
And
I
a
think if I
32
emailed my mom, I wouldn't get a 75% open rate. Like, it's like, that's incredible. A good open, like a really good open rate is like 30%. That's like really good. Like a good one's 20. Then you get down normal people, and I've spoken to a lot of internet marketers, are getting between 5 to 10, maybe even some, depending upon how people, I mean, it's going to depend on your list, your relationship, and how often you clean your list, but I've never seen 75%. I don't know what you're doing.
Now, I'm not going to show my list because it's my actual list. So I'm not going to show my subscribers and stuff like that. You know, I have to respect their privacy. But I do want to show you guys something because a lot of people, they say, you know, I use this too, and it's nonsense. They don't really use it. So I want to show you guys something, and this will really resonate for anybody that's on my email list. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click emails here, and it's going to show all the emails that I've sent out. So the last one I actually sent out was 11/19. So we're on 11/24. It's been 5 days. So I've used this 5 days ago. I don't send out emails every day like some marketers. Once a week is what I shoot for. But you can see here, these are all of my marketing emails that I've sent. Every single marketing email that I send is sent with this system. I would never, ever sell a system that I didn't, use myself, that I didn't make sure works. So everything I send here is all with this. Now, as far as the system works, how it works, do you want me to show it? I mean, it's a basic autoresponder. It has the emails, sequences, all that stuff. Do you want me to show all that, Mike?
I mean, as far as what it does, I mean, people can they can set up an email, they can write an email, they can do all this. I mean, there's places for people to get on your email list. With a lot of people ask, like, how can people get on your email list? And I know that you've got forms that people can get on with, and I mean, you can send.
Yeah, so you can send broadcast emails. So you can send an email just like any other platform. You can schedule the date, you can schedule the time, you pick the list that you want to send to. Here's actually something that's pretty cool. It's called the exclude list. So if you have two email lists, so for example, I have an email list called review list. Okay. And that's what I said my product reviews to. That's what I send my new product announcements to. It's called my review list. but you can also exclude all the emails in another list. Now that might sound confusing. Let me explain to you how I use this. So when I sell iMail, I'm going to use iMail to email people about iMail, right? And say, hey, it's available for purchase now. As people buy it, they're going to go on a list that I have called iMail customers. So then when I send another email about it, I'm going to exclude the iMail customers. So that way I'm only emailing people that didn't buy.
You're not annoying them. You're
I'm
not.
not, that's another reason why I get such good open rates. I don't send irrelevant since I have features like this, I don't send irrelevant emails to people, even when I'm doing affiliate marketing. When I'm doing affiliate sales, I get the customers that have already bought the product that I've purchased or that I'm promoting, and I'll show how to do that. You can actually do that automatically with iMail, and I'll get those customers' emails, put them in a list, and then when I send future emails out, hey, the offer's closing soon, don't miss my bonus, I don't email the people that already bought. There's no sense in doing that. I'm just annoying them. I'm just
You're
making
gonna
them
lose
say, I'm sick of
subscribers.
hearing you, Brett.
You're gonna lose subscribers. They're gonna open less because they're just not gonna be. Oh, another email from Brett again. What does he want? I already bought this. What do you go away?
Yeah, why are you this? Why is he emailing me? So this is actually a feature that I integrated because it just made sense to me, and it gets me better results. It's one of those features that are integrated because I'm a marketer and I actually saw the need for it. Unfortunately, some platforms, they're not really created by email marketers. They don't really know the needs of email marketers. Being that I am an email marketer, I thought to myself, like, how can I stop spamming people that have already bought? So I created that functionality. Now there's also email sequences, so you can send out sequence emails. So email sequences are just what you heard. People sign up for your list, and then they go ahead and they go through this email sequence that's set out every couple of days. You can pick the schedule. You can have as many emails in your sequence as you want. And of course, there's the tools as well. So you got your list reports, your list checkout, your form builder, sending logs. I'm not going to show you that because you'll see my customers' emails. If people have complaint and call your email spam, then it will show in there just so you can kind of keep track and see if maybe you are getting a little too hypey and people aren't liking it. That's something you want to keep an eye on. And there's also additional tools. Now, let me go ahead and head over to the cloud-based version, Mike, because I want to show you some of the new features that I've added in a cloud version, the version the customers are going to get that I couldn't add in a self-hosted version. So this is the cloud version of iMail. It's basically the same thing. See, it looks a little bit different, but it's basically the same thing. The only real difference is down here. It says iMail cloud version. You can see I have been using this as well. I haven't been using, I'll be honest, I haven't been using the cloud version for my email marketing just because then I'd have two lists on two systems and it would be hard to track both of them. So this is that. But what's really cool is something I've added is this functionality right here. So you might notice this is the new message. Remember we saw this before, Mike? Looks exactly the same, except for this has a really cool button here. It says write with AI. So one of the things that I realized is that some people have problems thinking about how to promote a product, how to talk about a product. And even marketers and established marketers sometimes have a problem. You know what swipe is, Mike, right?
Yeah, it's done for you. Promotional emails.
Right. And vendors tend to write the swipe, done for your promotion emails because you're trying to think of how to promote a product and it's how to write the email and it's kind of frustrating. I don't know if it's going to be good or not. So they have swipe and done for you
It takes
emails. Now,
time
not
to
everybody.
understand every single product you're going to promote. You really have to go in there. I mean, I know people like myself, I do interviews with people. Brett does interviews. Brett actually goes and looks at products. So it's easy for people like us that take a little bit more time but it takes time in order to understand these products before writing emails about them. But not everyone has time to do that. And if you don't, then this is definitely going to help you.
Yeah. So what I did was I added this right with AI. So there's two ways you can write an email with AI. Now this AI integration is completely done for you. There's no API keys. You don't have to enter anything. I cover all the AI fees. I firmly believe that that's something vendors should always do is cover the AI fees. So there's two ways to use this. The first thing you do is you can enter in a prompt. So I could write in and say, hey, write a welcome email welcoming them to my email list. And I can do that and enter that and say, write the email. But what's really cool is I can say, take this URL and write me a promotional email on that URL. So what I can do is I can go here and I can enter in any URL of any product, and I can click on write email. The AI will scan that URL for me, get all the information, learn all about the product because I've entered in the sales page URL, and then it will write that email for me. Now, this does take about 30 seconds.
So right now that's doing the stuff that normally you'd have to do on your own. You have to go through the sales material and do it. Now look at that. That's great.
Yep. So now it scanned the page for me. It learned all about the product for me, and it wrote the email for me. I actually call this feature the swipe killer because and swipe is no longer relevant anymore. It's no longer needed. Done for you emails, vendors writing emails, talking for you is no longer needed because AI will do it for you now.
Great. That's quick. I mean, there's no excuse not to have emails written for you. You don't have to be a master email marketer anymore because you can just have it. The AI will be that master marketer for you.
And what's great is the AI has been trained on millions and millions of emails, millions and millions of email texts. So the AI knows much better than I or you or pretty much anybody what will actually work, what kind of things sell a product in an email, what gets good results, because the AI has a level of training that you and I can never possibly get. In our entire lifetime, we'd never be able to read millions of emails, but the AI has already been trained on all that, so it knows how to do everything better, honestly better. Another feature that I added here is in the tools section. So there is the ability to create forms. So you can create forms, and they are GDPR compliant. That's not really as much of a thing as it used to be, but if you're in the European Union, you still might be worried about that. It is still technically a requirement. Besides the forms, though, and this is something that the beta testers actually said, they're like, well, I can make the form, but I don't have a page to put the form on. So what I just added, I don't even think you're aware of this, Mike, based on the beta tester feedback, is the lead pages. So you can go ahead now and you can just create a lead page right inside of the system. Creating a lead page is super simple. You enter in the page name, you enter in select the list that you want to send people to. You set the color for your page, headline text, enter in video code because you usually have a video on lead pages, button text, and redirect URL, which is where they go to after they sign up. Click continue, and you've got a lead page all done for you, ready to go.
And that's all hosted right in the software too.
What's that?
And that's all hosted right in the software too. So they've got a lead page builder and everything, and they don't have to worry about hosting or getting a domain name or any of that stuff.
Yep.
All right, let's take a closer look at the pricing structure and the entire sales funnel for iMail. After that, I will share my honest thoughts on what I like about iMail and what I don't like about it, so you can easily decide whether iMail is the right fit for you. So, let's get straight to the point. There are essentially two ways to buy. You can get the main software and add optional upgrades, or you can get everything at once with the bundle deal. First up is the main software, called the front-end offer, which costs a one-time fee of $34. This is the core cloud-based suite that gives you unlimited email sending to unlimited subscribers. This allows you to eliminate monthly fees forever while maintaining full control of your reputation. You get access to the AI email writer, the built-in lead page builder, and the ability to connect your own SMTP providers like Amazon SES for maximum deliverability. Now, if you want to unlock more performance power, you'll need to look at OTO1, iMail Pro, which is $67. This upgrade unlocks the ability to send your emails 30 times faster, which is crucial for time-sensitive flash sales. It also adds the automated resend to unopens feature to maximize your profits, and removes the iMail branding from your email footers for a strictly professional look. For those interested in starting a software business, there is OTO2, iMail Agency for $97. This allows you to create unlimited user accounts to sell to clients, and keep 100% of the profit. It also gives you a complete done-for-you business model, where the iMail team handles all the technical support and software updates for your customers. Then we have the ultimate educational upgrade. OTO3 is the iMail live training for $97. This grants you access to a live coaching session with creators Brett and Mike. Most importantly, It teaches you the secret strategies they use to build email lists without paid traffic, and how to monetize the list building process itself to generate revenue immediately. Finally, there is the bundle deal, which costs $197. This is the best deal package that includes the front end plus all the upgrades I just mentioned: pro, agency, and the live training at a significant discount compared to buying them separately. Just a quick reminder, to access any of these upgrades individually, you must purchase the front-end software first. Alternatively, you can purchase the iMail bundle to access all features in one package. So, should you buy iMail? That is the big question we need to answer today. If you are involved in affiliate marketing or really any kind of online business, you probably have a love-hate relationship with your autoresponder. You love the sales, but you hate the monthly bill. It feels like a success tax, doesn't it? You work hard to grow your list, and as a reward, a Weber or GetResponse charges you more money every single month. Well, iMail is trying to change that completely. So, what exactly is it? Think of iMail as a cloud-based shell for your email business. It was built by a guy named Brett Rutecki, who is a huge 7-figure marketer, basically out of frustration. He got tired of getting banned for no reason and overpaying for shared servers. So he built a platform that lets you have unlimited subscribers and send unlimited emails for a single one-time price. Now, the coolest feature inside, in my opinion, is something called Write with AI. We've all seen AI tools that write generic emails, right? They usually sound kind of robotic. But iMail is different because it has what I call contextual intelligence. You don't just ask it to write an email. You actually paste in the URL of the sales page you want to promote. The AI scans that page, pulls out the key selling points, and writes a promo email specifically for that offer. That is a massive time saver. But here is the thing you need to understand about the no monthly fees claim. iMail works on a bring your own SMTP model. That means you connect it to a sending service like Amazon SES, SendGrid, or even your own Gmail account. This is actually a huge pro because it means you control your own reputation. You aren't sharing an IP address with thousands of spammers, which is why users are seeing open rates as high as 75%. However, this is also the slight con. If you are a complete tech newbie who is used to everything being done for you, there is a small setup phase. You have to connect that SMTP service. Now, the tutorials are great, and once it's set up, it runs on autopilot, but it is an extra step compared to just logging into MailChimp. Also, we need to talk about the upgrades. The front-end version is great, it's like $34 right now, but the sending speed is throttled to a standard rate. If you want to blast out emails 30 times faster, or if you want the automation that automatically resends emails to people who didn't open the first one, you're going to want the Pro upgrade. There's also an agency upgrade if you want to resell the software, and a live training package where Brett teaches you how to build a list without paid traffic. If you are looking at all of that and thinking, I want all the features, you should probably just skip the individual purchases and grab the bundle deal. It's around $197, and it wraps everything: the unlimited sending, the pro speed, the agency license, and the training into one package. It saves you a ton compared to buying them separately. So, what is my final verdict? If you are happy paying $50 or $100 a month for your current autoresponder, maybe you don't need this. But if you are tired of renting your list and you want to actually own your data, eliminate those monthly fees, and use AI to write your copy for you, then yes, iMail is absolutely worth picking up. That's my honest take. So, if you're ready to get started, the next step is simple. Click the first link in the description below this video to get to the official website. If this review helped you out, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube this video is helpful. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be in there answering them. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sifat, and I'll see you in the next video.